Today we're going old school and just doing a straight up drum lesson. Let's get to it.
Silent treatment in your car, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard, I'm just wondering where we are.
What's up drummers, I hope you're all well. Today we're just going to do a good old fashioned drum lesson and work on that little hi-hat lick that you heard me play in the intro. If you are new to the channel, firstly, welcome in. If you do like the lessons, if you like what I do here, hit subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on a new lesson, and then just smash that like button because it really does help grow the channel and get more people to see these videos. So the lick today is based out of one of my favorite stickings, which is right, left, kick. Now what we're going to do is do a process I call substitutions, and we're going to substitute each of those notes for a diddle of itself. So the right becomes right, right, the left becomes left, left, and the kick becomes kick, kick. So we're going to do that on beat 3 of the bar. So the first half of the bar is just like a basic groove. So 1 and 2, and then we're going to have right, right, left, left, kick, kick. And that's going to be 3 E and da 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 da. Then we're going to put a right hand on the floor tom on the A of 3 into a backbeat on the 4. So 3 E and A 4. Let's check that out nice and slow at 50 beats a minute. So that sounds okay at 50, but bear in mind that you're still playing 30-second notes at 50, which is 16th notes at 100. So your doubles and your doubles on the kick, they have to be pretty fast. If you feel like slowing it down, if you need to slow it down, please slow it down. Don't sacrifice quality for speed. Nothing sounds good fast, played badly. Before we move on to our medium tempo of 75, I just want to talk about the hi-hat doubles. Now, you can sit and practice your doubles on your practice pad this way, you know, like straight up perfect technique. They can sound really amazing. And then what I see a lot of drummers do, and I used to do this myself, is you'd go up to the hi-hat and your technique would change. And then you'd wonder why, oh, my doubles don't sound very good, or I can't play doubles. And your brain would think of the doubles on the hi-hat as different from the doubles on your practice pad or on your snare drum. They are the exact same thing. They are the exact same thing, the exact same doubles. No matter where they are played on the kit, they are the exact same thing. So try to have your hands in the same position that you would have on the practice pad. So it tops your palms up if you're doing German or French or whatever. Whatever you've practiced, that needs to transfer to the hi-hat, and that will give you crispy, nice, pronounced, clean doubles, which will, any of these licks will then subsequently sound better. Let's try that same lick at 75 beats a minute, see how it sounds. Now I'm playing that lick in a pretty standard orchestration. Right hand on the hi-hat, left hand on the snare drum. Obviously kick drum stays where it is, but we can move that sticking around to create some different shapes. So in the next track, I'm going to play this with a track. I'm going to start moving around some orchestrations. A little tip, here's some stuff that you can do. If you have a small stacker, play it there. Play in the rims of your toms. Play a left hand as a rim click and the right hand in that little space between the rim of the drum and where your stick lies. You'll get a really cool sound, take the snares off, sounds really, really awesome. Try any lick, any pattern, any groove, any rudiment in as many orchestrations and positions as you can think, and you'll have this same thing, this small idea will grow exponentially. So I'm going to play this with a track. I'm going to try some different orchestrations. Let's see how it sounds.
Silent treatment in your car, baby, we don't need to talk. Sorry if I'm making this hard, I'm just wondering where we are.
Over to you. I want to see what you guys can come up with this. Explore it, expand it, try different subdivisions, different orchestrations, and tag me on Instagram in your video. I will share it to my story, I'll share it around, and I can see all the awesome things that you guys can come up with a very simple idea. But that'll do it for me today, guys. If you did enjoy this lesson, remember hit subscribe, hit like, and I will see you in the next one. Take